I'm Richard Ellis, broker-owner of Ellis Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to Upper Nyack, New York. This beautiful modern home is situated right on the Hudson River with 325 feet of shoreline and is located on 6.5 acres. The name of the home is Wonder Falls because it has all these amazing water features. There's a spring-fed pond with a waterfall, there's a small stream outside the front door, and there's an 80-foot waterfall that cascades from the top of the road down to the Hudson River. There's a great story behind the waterfall. It's reported that Henry Hudson stopped at the waterfall to refill their ship's water supply. This property used to be a quarry in the late 17 and into the 1800s, and you can still see the remnants of the stone walls where they were cut. And that inspired why they put this architecturally exciting home right here. The exterior of the home is a bold orange color, which contrasts against the sandstone walls and greenery that surrounds. From the exterior, you can see through the interior to the Hudson River and beyond. And that one-of-a-kind view is a recurring theme throughout the home. So as you walk in the front door, you're amazed at the river views, but you're also struck by the sculptural geometry of the home. You step into the mezzanine that has a glass floor and steel railings and look out to this enormous great room that opens out to the river. So as you continue along the mezzanine, you'll come to this sophisticated wet bar where you can stop and have a cocktail or continue to this huge cantilevered deck that overlooks the Hudson River. Perfect spot to just relax and enjoy the day. Just down the stairs is the great room. This is the main entertaining area of the home. This room has 18-foot ceilings and walls of windows and doors that lead out to the patio and river beyond. But if you look into the home, you're really in for a treat. It's a playground of geometry. And then there's an interesting mix of materials. Steel beams, stone fireplace, and marble floors, all mixed together in balance and harmony. The vivid color pattern in this home takes cues from pop art and is fitting with the modern architectural style. The open kitchen steps back from the great room, but is very much a part of it. Again, in here you can see the attention to detail and the materials. There's stainless steel and glass, high-end appliances, lots of pantry and storage space, and for a dash of color, a bold blue backsplash. But let's go outside and take a look at the patio overlooking the Hudson River. Although only 45 minutes from New York City, it feels like you're in a nature preserve. As far as you can see, there are rolling green hills and this great, beautiful piece of river right in front of you. Here you can watch barges and sailboats and kayaks go by all day long. And here you can see the meandering paths of the property that not only go down to the Hudson River, but also to all areas of the property. The central staircase has plenty of room to hang art, as does the rest of the home. There's also a unique clustered skylight that fills the home with light. And at night, there's this amazing crystal light fixture that fills the space with a warm glow. The principal bedroom is a miniature version of the home. In here you can see a stone fireplace, beautiful mahogany woodwork on the walls and in the dressing area, and a glass window that turns 90 degrees, and your own private terrace overlooking the Hudson. The light-filled principal bath has a large soaking tub that looks out to the Hudson and an oversized walk-in shower. You'll never see another property like Wonder Falls again, with its unique architecture and beautiful grounds, and an 80-foot waterfall all on the Hudson River. Thank you for joining me. Hope to see you again.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. How about love? Share these homes, you know?